Hello and welcome students. In this video, we are going to take a look at solving the concept of solving systems of equations, word problems. So that's our concept basically. And the first question that is given to us here is find the value of two numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. So basically systems of equations like we did elimination and substitution, those methods can be used to solve these two equations and actually find the answer. So we'll go by the information given to us, and as you can see, it says that the sum of two numbers is 12. So we can take the two numbers, the one unknown numbers, as x and y. And the very first equation says that their sum is 12. So I can say that x plus y is 12. Now the next one is that their difference is 4. So it is x minus y is 4. So once I have my equations set up, I can solve them by the process of elimination. Here I can eliminate one of the variables, 1x and 1x here. 1x plus 1x is 2x equals, y is already gone, 12 plus 4. 12 and 4, 16. And now I'll divide both the sides by 2, which gives me x equals 8. That means one of the numbers is 8. Now I can go ahead and find the other number. I can just plug in the value 8 into the equation, the first equation maybe. So 8 plus y equals 12, and I subtract 8, where y equals 4. Hence my answer is going to be that we have the two numbers. When we add them, their sum is 12, that is 8 and 4. Their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. So if they give you big number values, this method really comes in handy to find the answer. And on the next page, we look at the next question. All right, so now let's take a look at the next question. The next question is that the school that Stephen goes to is selling tickets for a performance. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior citizen tickets. So let us underline the important details that we need to actually have our equations. 1 child ticket with total of 38. And then let's change color for the other details. The school took $52 in total on the second day by selling 3 senior citizen and 2 child tickets. So here the first thing that I need to do is I need to set up my variables. I'm going to take, for child tickets, I'm going to take the variable C. And for senior citizen, I'm going to take the variable S. And our goal now is going to be actually chalking out our two equations, which we can now use then elimination or substitution to solve them. So let us go ahead and have our first equation. 3 senior citizens ticket plus 1 child ticket. Total is $38. And then the second equation in green is 52 is the total, $52. For selling 3 senior citizen plus 2 child ticket. So here you have both of the equations formulated, and now we can go ahead and start solving them using elimination is a better method. Another way is you can change the sign. I saw I have both of them. They have 3 senior and 3 senior here. So if I change the sign of just the bottom equation for everybody, then I'm actually not making any change to the question. All right, so after solving it, basically I got negative 1c equals negative 14, and dividing by negative 1, I got $14 as the price of each child ticket. Now we need to still find the cost of S or senior citizen ticket. So for that, I need to plug in the value. I take the top equation, is easier. So let us take that, 3S plus 1 child ticket. How much was the cost of 1 child ticket? $14. The total amount was $38. So now I can subtract 14 on both the sides. She gone. And then we can go ahead and divide by 3. Hence, the cost of each senior citizen ticket is $8. So you can see that in real life examples also. The system of equations is helpful. On the next page, we look at the next question. All right, so now let's take a look at the third question of the similar type concept, systems of equations. The senior classes at high school A and high school B are being talked about here. So they are saying that the second sentence, the senior class at high school A rented and filled 1 van and 7 buses. So that is an important detail with total of 197 students. So we can highlight that detail. And the next is the school B has 12 vans and 1 bus with total of 123 students. So these two things are going to really help us formulate our equations. And our equation is going to be, the first one will be 1 van. So I took the V as van and then B as buses. So 1 van and 7 buses, total of 197 students. Next up, we have 12 vans and 1 bus is giving us 123 students. Now we have both of these equations. We can now use the system of elimination to actually solve or find out how many people they're asking. The question is how many people are in each van and in each bus. So we are going to do the same thing. Remember, flip-flop, change the sign of one person out of both of them. So I'm changing the sign of 1 here. And we are going to distribute and have our new equations ready, which is 12b plus 84b equals 2364. And then my second equation is going to be negative 12b minus 1b equals, this is 4, equals negative 123. All right, so she gone. Here by elimination, one variable eliminated. 83b equals 2241. And now we are going to have b alone, so divide by 83 on both the sides. B equals, after dividing this, we should get the number of people in the bus is 27. So that's our solution for bus. Now we need to calculate for the van. So once I have the bus, I can plug it in and find the value for the van. So I can use the top equation here, which is 1 van, which I don't know, plus 7 times bus. Buses are how many students? 27 equals 197. 1 van plus 189 equals 197. And now I subtract 189 from both the sides. She gone. So 1 van has 8 students. So I hope it made some sense, and the van is 8 students. And basically it is showing you some real life application of the concept of system of equations. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.